Welcome to the lesson on Introduction to Sanskrit. In this lesson, we will be looking at how Sanskrit language originated and the benefits of learning Sanskrit language. Let's have a look at them together. Do you all know from where the sound of universe Om originated from? Om originated from one of the world's most unique and beautiful language called Sanskrit. Now let's look at the origin of Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is an ancient language that was discovered 5,000 years ago. It is believed that the sounds of Sanskrit language originated from Lord Shiva's Damaru and was discovered by great rishis during their deepest state of meditation. The earliest form of Sanskrit that existed during the Vedic period is called the Vedic Sanskrit. Later, the great scholar Panini laid down the grammatical structure of Sanskrit that led to the origin of classical Sanskrit that is used nowadays. The word Sanskrit itself is made of two words, Sam and Krit. Sam means complete and Krit means done. Together, the word Sanskrit means completely done or structured. Now, let's look at why should we learn Sanskrit. Learning Sanskrit has a lot of amazing benefits. The sounds in Sanskrit has the power to heal and elevate our body, mind and soul just by the utterance of the sounds as it is derived from nature. It can regulate our breathing, thereby providing us clarity and improving our memory power, focus and developing creativity as well as reasoning capabilities. Learning Sanskrit would also help us to tap into the wisdom provided in ancient scriptures and evolve us to become beautiful human beings. I hope you all are excited to dive into the world of Sanskrit. So let's get started.